How to install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku. Roku's design prioritizes simplicity and security, which means a curated app store. This approach, while great for stability, limits direct installation of third-party applications such as IPTV Smarters. So understanding this fundamental difference is the first step toward finding a successful workaround. So what you can do instead is to go ahead and cast your device into your Roku TV. So to do that, install IPTV Smarters on your device. So download and install the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your smartphone or tablet from its respective app store. Configure IPTV Smarters to add your IPTV service provider details such as username, password, and server URL to the app. And then go ahead and start the playback. Begin playing the desired channel or movie within the IPTV Smarters Pro app on your mobile device. Now look for the cast icon, usually a square with a Wi-Fi symbol within the video player of the app. And then go ahead and tap the cast icon and choose your Roku TV from the list of available devices. The result, your content should now appear on your Roku TV streaming from your mobile device. And that is how to install IPTV Smarters Pro on Roku TV.